Hey guys, Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, my friends. We are outside here at my lovely home in Florida, and we're going to do some reviews on some jerky today for some small craft beef jerky makers. This gentleman here, his name is Khan Savan. He's out of California, and he has an fantastic Asian influence on all of his flavors, his Hawaiian, his teriyaki, his Thai chili, just to name a few. But Khan has been making jerky for a lot of years. He was an over-the-road truck driver, and he started making jerky, and just put it out there just like a lot of us do for all of his friends, and they absolutely loved it. So let's get into Khan's jerky today, guys. This is a teriyaki beef jerky, and Khan is very different in the fact that he makes his own teriyaki sauce. So he makes his teriyaki sauce from scratch, which is absolutely fantastic. And when he told me about that, I was surprised. So this is Khan's beef jerky here. And boy, I'll tell you what, when I open that up, that smells fantastic. Very, very, very different smell from your traditional over-the-counter soy sauces, okay? So this is I5 Jerky, guys, is the name of Khan's company. i5jerky.com is where you can find this. And this smells absolutely fantastic. Khan is a small craft beef jerky maker at i5jerky.com. And really impressive. Minimal ingredients. I know he uses a lot of fresh ingredients in his products. So again, this is smells absolutely fantastic, guys. I wish you could smell this jerky. Now I'm gonna just dump some of this jerky out on the table here. So this is a wet jerky. A lot of folks out there have dry jerkies, and some of my favorite is wet jerky. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like, guys. This is Khan's jerky right here. This is his teriyaki flavor. This is a 2-ounce bag. This is out of Fresno, California. And let's get right into this. So right off the bat, this is cut in small pieces. And again, it's a wet jerky, okay? And this here, jerky, the consistency, I can see very, very little fat in this jerky, okay? And I can see a little bit of pepper flakes. All right. So now, it smells delicious, guys. Now here we go. Wow. So, the meat consistency on this is extremely, extremely tender. This is an amazing jerky. The snack value on this, guys, this is off the hook. You're gonna love the snack value on this. When I say snack value, I mean is it something that you can continue to eat and that makes you want more? And very tender, very delicious. Absolutely fantastic jerky. This is this teriyaki flavor. So let me try to explain this, because I can always tell when people use fresh ingredients. The flavors in this jerky, you can taste just the freshness of the teriyaki sauce. Just a hint of black pepper in the background and white pepper. It's got some a little bit of Thai chili flakes in here, and honey, and you can taste that deliciousness of the brown sugar, guys. So, and this is nice sized pieces, all cut up for you. Very tender, guys. The snack value on this is a 5 out of 5. I would buy this jerky myself. It's absolutely fantastic. Support small craft jerky makers. This is i5jerky.com. Con Savan is the maker of this stuff. It's absolutely delicious. Again, Con is out of Fresno, California, and Con is doing everything right with his packaging, his oxygen absorber in there for freshness, and great label, and doing everything right. So, guys, listen. Again, I always say this. Check out our small craft beef jerky makers. They're real important to the industry, and support them. Support them as well. Go to their website, i5jerky.com. Buy his products and support. This guy Con. He's doing an amazing job. I know I'll definitely be a customer with this teriyaki, and I can't wait to try your other flavors as well. i5jerky.com. Check it out, guys. I know I was on the site, and I know there's a promo code there. If you enter your email, guys, it's well worth it. This is a delicious, a nice wet teriyaki jerky. Not too sweet, not too spicy. It's absolutely perfect. Thanks, guys, for watching. This is Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, baby. We'll see you in the next video.